Hey everyone, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. My video today is going to go over the information I found on COVID long haulers, or also known as long COVID. So what is long COVID? What are the symptoms? And how do you know if you have it? Long COVID is the long-lasting effects of the virus once it's already gone or you have tested negative on a COVID test. There's a large amount of people who had COVID before it had a name. Many got sick in the late months of 2019, and some are still experiencing the long-term effects from this virus we now call COVID. If you have had COVID and experienced the harsher side of it, like a fever, body aches, flu-like symptoms, loss of smell and taste, your chances of some of these symptoms may stick around are a lot higher. Most COVID long haulers have reported long-term effects of loss of smell, loss of taste, feeling lost, hopeless, or depressed. They also have difficulty breathing, chronic fatigue, and exhaustion. COVID causes immunoproteins that cause hyperinflammation in the body, as well as a hyperimmune system responses. There are tests you can get to see if you have long COVID. These tests can help determine what forms of treatment are available for you. There is no one cure-all method for curing long COVID, so tests are used to determine what treatments are best for you. More information and testing for long COVID can be found online at covidlonghaulers.com. I have found some treatments that have proven to help with long-term COVID. Now, on these treatments, there isn't just one that will cure everything. Some people could take one and they feel better. It just depends. So these treatments include Ivermectin, LUVOX, MARAVIROC, I don't know if I pronounced that along with other drugs that are already used for other ailments. One easy step that I did notice, that most people that get COVID, they have a vitamin D deficiency. Most people that got COVID were reported to be vitamin D deficient. Also, people that are vitamin D deficient were reported to have more severe cases of COVID. So I feel it is very important to take vitamin D every day. So if you get COVID, your symptoms can be less, or it can help you not get COVID at all. That's my video for today. Please share it. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I wish you guys the best of health and blessings. See you next time.